Good morning, all of you. How are you? Okay, fine. In this class, today, I am going to describe power of the lens. Okay? In your spectacles, like that, it has some power. How power of the lens is calculated by the doctors? Okay? Power of lens. The power of a thin lens is equal to the reciprocal of its focal length measured in meter. That implies power of lens is equal to 1 upon focal length. When focal length is measured in meter, okay, power of lens is denoted by P. Here P is equal to 1 by F, and M indicates that focal length is here measured in meter. Okay, and the SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. Power of lens is diopter. Okay, since P is equal to 1 by F in meter, now we assume that if F is equal to 1 meter, then this is the equation 1. From 1 we have, okay, P is equal to 1 by 1D. That implies 1 diopter. Okay, this gives the definition of 1 diopter of power. 1 diopter is the power of those lens whose focal length is 1 meter. This defines the 1 diopter of power. Okay, what is the 1 diopter power? Always or often asked in your class or board examination. Okay, this is the formula to find the power of the lens. Now we think about the power of 2 or more lenses which are in contacted position. When 2 or more thin lenses are in contacted position to each other, then what will be the power of the combination? Okay, for example, here 2 thin lenses. This is the convex lens, this is the another convex lens, this is the lens L1, this is the lens L2. Okay, these are the optical center of both lenses. Okay, if P1 and P2 be the power of the given lenses which are connected to each other, okay, connected to each other, okay, and P be the power of the combination, then P is equal to P1 plus P2. Okay, that means in the case of two thin lenses or more thin lenses, if they are convex lenses, then power will be equal to that means equivalent power will be equal to the sum of powers of all thin lenses which are connected to each other. Okay, if n thin lenses are here, special cases, if n thin lenses are connected to each other, then combination, then P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 dash Pn. That means combined power is equal to the powers of sum of the powers of all thin convex lenses. Okay, another special case is also here. Suppose we are connected two thin lenses, one is concave and other is convex, then what will be the equivalent power of the combination? That means one lens is 2. This is the condition. This is the convex lens and other lens is concave. Okay, this is the lens L1 and this is the lens L2. L1 here, L1 is the convex lens, L2 is the concave lens, okay. The power of L1 is P1 and power of L2 is P2. If P P be the power of the combination, then P is equal to P1 plus minus P2. Okay? Why? Because power of convex lens is always positive, while power of concave lens is always negative. Like that, focal length of convex lens is always positive, while focal length of concave lens is always negative. You can do some numerical problems on the basis of this formula. One is here. Suppose a concave lens and concave lens are, a concave lens and a convex lenses are in contacted position with focal length 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively, then what will be the power of the combination? Okay? This is the numerical based on the combination of power of concave lens and convex lens are in connected to each other, find the power of the combination when their focal lengths are 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Okay? This is the numerical problem based on your combination of power. Solution: suppose this is the concave lens, okay, and this is the convex lens. Both lenses are in contacted position. Okay, this is the lens L1, this is the lens L2. F1 given, F1 is equal to minus 25 centimeter. Okay, because focal length of concave lens is always negative, that implies minus 25 upon 100 meter 4. Therefore, minus 1 by 4 meter. Okay, if P1 is the power of concave lens, therefore P1 is equal to 1 by F in meter. That implies 1 by minus 1 by 4 diopter That implies P1 is equal to minus 4 diopter. Okay. Again, in the case of lens L2, F2 is equal to plus 20 centimeter. Okay. That implies 20 upon 100 meter. That implies 1/5 meter. Because focal length of convex lens is always positive. Okay. If P2 be the power of convex lens, then P2 will be equal to 1/F2 when F2 is measured in meter. That implies P2 is equal to 1/1/5D. Therefore, P2 is equal to 5D plus 5D. Okay. Here we have find the power of both lenses L1 and L2. Now we assume that if P be the power of the combination, then what will be happen? P is equal to P1 plus P2. That implies P is equal to minus 4 plus 5 D. Therefore, P is equal to plus 1 diopter. Here power is in positive. Hence, combination of both lenses are acted as a convex lens. Okay. Now in next class I will solve some related numericals. Till thank you. Have a safe day.